Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem codes on Kickoff. The game might start, so let me just leave first. But you're going to basically open Kickoff. Let me just open the game again because the timer isn't that long, so I do have to get out of the game every now and then. I will put all the working codes in the description box down below. So, and some of them you might have redeemed already. So keep that in mind if it doesn't work. Just go through all of the codes. To redeem a code, you're just going to select this button on the left side of your screen. Then you're just going to want to paste the code. Well, I think I pasted everything. But you're going to paste just one code and then press claim. I already claimed it and it's like a cake topper. It's pretty cute. And that's how you can basically redeem codes on Kickoff. Again, it's over here. I will put the codes in the description box down below, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!